Welcome to MakeUGC. We're excited to collaborate with you on your next campaign. Let's dive in together and create some truly amazing ads that resonates with your audience.
No one can even tell this is AI now. MakeUGC AI is on another level. It can generate ultra-realistic influencer avatars, complete with natural expressions, body movement, and even let them hold your products like they're in a real ad. It's honestly wild how lifelike these avatars are, and the best part? It's super easy to use. You can pick an avatar from their library or even create your own by uploading just 1 to 2 minutes of footage. Just make sure to film vertically, look into the camera, speak clearly with pauses, and keep your gestures natural. Once you've got that, just type in a simple product intro and MakeUGC AI will generate a professional script for the avatar to say. Then boom, your AI influencer is ready. And if you want your product in their hands, just upload an image and it'll create a super realistic visual of the avatar holding it. Check out the examples.
Welcome to MakeUGC. We're excited to collaborate with you on your next campaign. Let's dive in together and create some truly amazing ads that resonates with your audience and drives results.
Seriously, no one would ever guess they're AI. It's perfect for social media ads, influencer-style content, and product promos, all without the hassle or cost. Try it out now at makeugc.ai/toolkit. If you're into creating high-impact content fast, this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.